There are many common terms and concepts that we will use throughout these courses for the development process, and many that are specific to Visual Studio. In this lesson, we will look at these terms and concepts. Let's get started. There are four main components to understand in Visual Studio: elements, models, projects, and packages. In this screenshot of the Application Explorer, you can see the root AOT node, which contains a child node for each model. This view is called the model view. Each of these models contains its own set of system elements. If we expanded one of them, we would then see the underlying elements, such as data types, tables, and classes that relate to that model. The package name that the model resides in is located in brackets to the right of the model name. Here we see a screenshot of the AOT opened in Classic View. Classic View is similar to Model View, except instead of displaying objects under a node for each model, we see them all in one place, still organized by type. Elements in Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations are the objects that reside in the AOT in the Application Explorer. Some examples of elements are tables and forms. Collectively, the elements are what define the system and dictate what the users will see and experience on the front end. Elements can be customized once they are added to a specific project in Visual Studio. A Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations model is a group or collection of elements that are related by a common originator, purpose, or other grouping. For example, there may be a warehouse management model or a fleet management model in the system. Because we only use models to organize source code, a model is considered a design time concept. A particular model may be associated with multiple Visual Studio projects, each containing a subset of elements from the originating model. However, a project may be only associated with one model. A Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations deployable software package is a deployment unit that may contain one or more models. In addition to elements, a package includes model metadata, which is the description data that defines the properties and behaviors of the model. A deployable software package can be exported to a file, which can then be deployed into a staging or production environment. Because they are used for code deployments, we refer to deployable software packages as a runtime concept.